Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm in Dubai. It's end of June. It's mean one thing, that's hot. And the humidity, let's just say that practically you can just swim through the air. So what is the perfect escape from this desert heat? An indoor tropical rainforest. Today I'm going to the green planet Dubai and I can't wait to step to the completely different world and just breathe a little bit more. Breathe like an Asian breathe. So hot is in Dubai, really. I do not understand where to escape to check some new and nice destination. Everyday problem in summer in Dubai, they switch on the air conditions and it's so cold inside, but when you go outside it's so heating. So inside home I'm freezing, outside it's hot. This is one of the main Dubai problem for me, why I cannot stay whole the year here. Just every summer who are resident here try to escape. That's the reason. Otherwise I could stay here whole the year the way I love Dubai, but this heat is crazy. But at home you're still okay. Just you feel that you miss something from the summer, you can enjoy more than to sweat and be in the cold place. We arrived now to take the tickets, so in case if you're a tourist, it will be the same price if you will take here, offline or online. It will be 155 dirhams. Just in case if you are a resident, it's 175 here and 139 if you will take it through online.
The moment you walk through the doors, a delicious surge of cool, humid air envelops you, accompanied by the delightful melody of unseen birds. It truly feels like nature's embrace. Witness the vibrant splash of colors from the most exotic birds you'll ever see.
It's more impressive that I was imagining the birds. I never saw so close the bird. We cannot touch it, of course, and that's all. And they're here. You can feel they're about to sit on your head. It's incredible. Very nice.
Oh, just look what the lazy bird I found here.
I never saw these animals so close to me. They're just, I need to touch them for one hand. It's so near to me, my God, really, it's an incredible place. I highly recommend it, especially for the families. Wow, just standing inside here, I'm feeling I have been transported to another continent. The air is so fresh and everything is so green. It's incredible. It's like real escape from Dubai summer. It's so nice. Good girl. It's he or she?
She.
She. Ah, I told good girl, huh? I feel this old lady.
Her name is Fanta.
Fanta?
Yeah.
She looks like.
She is.
And how old is she?
Roughly around 8 years old.
And how long they are living?
20 years or 30 years.
So she's middle-aged lady.
Yes.
Same me. My friend.
You can be a good friends together, yeah?
Fanta, baby girl. You know, her tone, I'm afraid to touch. I think that she can do something.
She will do nothing. She can stay on your shoulder.
Wait. And they smell with the perfume, no problem, yeah?
Yeah.
She's okay with it. She
She's
will not
okay
fall
with it.
down. Beautiful, beautiful lady.
I have a handbag.
Handbag, so if it needs... yeah. Beautiful, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, and scissors. What a beauty is here. What a beauty, huh? Ay, ay, ay. I find it out, guys, that here you can spend your night in this incredible company. Can you imagine? The guy is ready to meet the guests. Yeah. So what they just told me that you can spend the night here. You can come and sleep in this camp. You have a food here. Just now more openly I will ask on the reception. But actually it's a very nice idea when you want to escape from this heat. Oh, I have a beds. Beds are there. And the sounds are incredible. I had this kind of sound when I was in jungle, so it's the same sound and it's very fresh. And you see here gonna be the tent. Great, huh? Imagine to spend the night here. I think for children it will be a great experience, also for adults. It's so peaceful and relaxing here. It's exactly the contrary from the outside of the city, of the heat. It's so fresh here, so calm. I feel like I'm somewhere in Asia, in Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, somewhere there. Great experience and highly recommend it. My favorite one. Have you ever been to Dubai Green Planet or similar biodome? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video in case you liked Escape with me, and subscribe for more adventures in Dubai. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next. Ciao ciao papa.